So, in behalf of WMOFW, thank you po. So, in behalf of WMOFW, thank you. WMOFW, we were able to get some reunion team here for the Filipino Rugby. Kaya nagpapasalamat po kami dahil malaking tulong po ito sa kanila. Ito po yung ating rugby team. So, thank you Hong Kong China Rugby for your donations sa ating mga players, Filipino players, and thank you through WMOFW. Hi, Miss Beautiful! So, we are here, and yan po ang ating mga players. Ang dami nila. Sa dami, hindi ko na makikilala about it. Ito lang na. Sa dami. Yes. So, there are lots of Filipino, and they're all our domestic helper in Hong Kong.
Thank you, mate.
Yes. Yan po.
You have to get your. You're fine. You did already.
Hello. Hello, tita.
Hello, ate.
Kasama din na pag-picture. Yan na, okay na yan. Fine po. Ayan, napakainit. Sobrang init lang. Pero okay lang po mga. Sanay na yung mga players natin eh. Ayan po sila.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
Smell! Click! Woo!
Okay, stay. Okay, go.
My video here.
Stay. Stay.
Can I join one picture with them?
Okay, sure.
With my, this is my organization.
Okay.
Non-government. The white one because it's a video camera.
Okay.
Yay!
Angel, one picture.
Can I have one picture with you? Organization for Filipino.
Wait, we forgot to bring our pen. It's okay lah.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we have, as you all know, we have a guest. She's Melody Lee.
Yes!
Hong Kong player. This is her mom. Okay. After you may, she's gonna say some speech.
Yes, I'm gonna say, dito pa kung awak. Ikaw na. Ikaw na lang. Pasensya ka na. Dito.
Video?
Oo, naka-video na. Ready
Okay
na.
po.
Ready na.
Okay.
Because this is a Philippine organization helping we are helping the Filipinos in Hong Kong.
Box, hawakan mo nga.
Teka lang. Thank you po. Thank you.
Melody and her mom and their organizations are so kind enough to give you our own cookery stuff. This is from our company called Hong Kong China Rugby. Of course, you know. So before we get your socks. Get with your teams first.
Okay. Nice hang.
Follow the leader. This is the dolphin.
Step back. See the white line?
Line up. That's what I said. In a line.
This is the Hong Kong Scottish Dolphins team. Yes. And the square mile relay, square mile Valley Pink. Yes.
So,
Panthers.
each cup.
Anong team kayo? Warriors. Okay. Anong pangalan ng team nyo? Okay. Thank you. Ayan po yung mga teams natin. Thank you po. Yes.
Ready, young ladies? I've got good news and bad news. The good news is I've got a lot of Hong Kong rugby socks. The bad news is they didn't have your size.
Yes, because all big size. They're
Yeah.
Hello.
Follow Pinchik.
Yes,
I
thank
think what
you.
we'll do, okay, make it a bit easier.
One size lang, pasensya na kasi yan yung binigay nila. Listen.
I let them talk to Hey! Somebody do it first.
Hey girl, listen! Yeah. One last thing, listen.
Sir, I saw you last time. We have a picture in the rugby game. Yes, you're wearing the like something color.
Two socks. Okay? So, our event has finished. I hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yan. Yes. Oo. Pag interested kayo sa WeAim, ano natin organization yon, just message me.
And,
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Melody.
Yes.
We will support you all the way. Thank you for the support as well.
Yes, thank you. Sa mga leader, hanapan po kayo ng jacket for the leaders. Ang mga leaders natin, hanapan natin ng jacket. Alam ko may jacket sila eh. Ayan, mamaya magpipicture yung mga gusto. Ayan. Woo! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you, sister.
Let's go.
Sige, per team. Thank you.
Where's my brother, you?
Let's catch up next time.
Pwede mo kayong picturean? Pagkatapos, susingit lang ako kasi nagpipicture sila ng group. Ito yung isang team. Yan ang isang team. Can I picture with you also later on? Kayo muna. Yeah. Okay.
We'll get a picture of you with the team as well, okay?
Yes. Super init. Super init. Yung group niyo, mag-group kayo. Ang init. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Can you take us also?
1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Okay. Video na yan. Video na lang siya. I-connect ko na ng video. At hindi siya mag-video. Direkta na to. Sabi niyo lang ano, thank you WM Hong Kong. Okay na yon. Okay lang.
Hawakan ko lang, tayo hindi ko na siya i-press.
Hindi na, basta video lang yan. Oh. Okay na yan. Screenshot ko na lang. Okay. WMOW.
Okay. Coach, hindi ka pupunta doon. You go there.
Thank you,
Got the video?
Yeah, already. Dito.
Very good. Let's go.
Ay, tapos na sila. Ay, Ay, kayo yung team nyo, tapos na? Tapos na kayo?
Pwede kong ipasa na lang sa'yo.
Sige, okay lang.
Thank you po, ate. Thank you.
She can just forward the picture. Thank you. Oh, kasi tapos na ako. Thank you. Next time ulit. Okay. Thank you. Asan na yung mga leader nyo? Layo. Woo! Uwi na kayo? Oh, yan kayo. Oo, next time sana makano si Melody. Marami yan pinamigay sa Pilipinas, jacket, t-shirt. Siyempre, ang dami nyo kaya. Saka inuna sa Pilipinas, bigyan. Yan. Thank you. Oo. Pakunan mo kami, sister, pakilang. Ay, sister, kayo kunan nyo. Ito lang. Ito yung puti, ah. Nakikita. Ah, hindi na kasi makita, eh. Okay lang yung video naman, eh.